This is Computer Science Discoveries. We're in Unit 3, and this is Lesson 17 and level number 11. So what you've done so far in building this game with this little robot guy, all right? So let's just review here a little bit. We'll run it. So you've got this little flying robot, and you've been able to make it fly to the right, fly to the left. It kind of bounces up and down and all around, okay? So now we've got to kind of keep adding a few properties in here so that it looks more game-like. So on this level, number 11, we're going to add some kind of coin. All right, we want to make this feel and behave more like an actual game so that when you go to design your own game, you can see what you're supposed to do. So do this. In this level, all we're going to do is add a new coin sprite to the game. You should be working at the top of your program outside the draw loop. So we're just setting a new sprite in here before the draw loop starts. Use create sprite block to create a new sprite. Make sure to give it a descriptive name that's easy, like coin. So it's a good practice not to leave things left as just sprite. I saw that a lot in projects. A number of things were being called sprite, and then your program's confused because it doesn't know which variable you're talking about. Oh, and use the sprite X and Y properties to give it a random X and Y position, and then set the animation. The coin is already there in the animation tab, okay, and test it, and then the coin, okay, so I think I got it. Ready? We got to create this sprite with the coin and have it randomly appear. So first things first, the variable sprite command above the draw loop. It's just a coin. I'm going to use their suggestion for coin. Okay, we have to set the animation for this coin. Okay, and it's supposed to be there. Okay, let's just see what it looks like in the animation tab. Here it is right here, that thing. Okay, and then it asked us to please set the X and Y position. So I'm going to grab the X and the Y. Again, it's for coin. And then it asked us to pick a random number somewhere between 0 and 100. Now it automatically defaults to be at 200, 200 for the start, unless we override that with some other value or property. So that's what we're going to do right now with math, choosing random number and slide that into both the coin.x and coin.y. And they said, go ahead and pick something between 0 and 400. That way it could be absolutely anywhere on the screen. And it wants us to test it. Set run. Oh, I see it. Okay, now I can keep moving this around and my coin is just sitting way over here. If I hit reset run, it's in a new spot. Reset run, new spot. Run it again, a new spot. Okay, that's all you have to do for level number 11. Whew, take a breather and then move on to the instructions for level number 12.